In this video, we'll build a simple CLI application that will use the ChatGPT 4 API and allow us to chat with it in the terminal. So let's start with initializing our project with Go Modinit. And now let's install the go.env dependency so we can use the .env file to store our API keys, and also the Go OpenAI package to allow us to use the ChatGPT APIs easily. We'll create a main.go file and we'll store our API key in the .env file. So you will have to go into this website and generate a new API key. If you get some error, you may have to add some money into this account. We'll first import some dependencies. Just load the .env file, then we'll create a client and we'll get a continuous input from user using the buffer.io.scanner. The chat complete message function requires an array of messages, so we'll keep the track of the user and the computer messages in a messages slice. We'll first read the user message from the user input and append it to the messages slice. We are using the latest ChatGPT 4 preview version, which has the data up to April 2023. And then we'll get the bot response and we'll append it into the messages slice, and each time we'll pass this into the API call. So let's try to run it. So it's working fine. Thanks for watching.